Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got throw on some new headlights for you guys and some new balances. I'll show you guys how it looks. So let's check out the headlights. All right, so we got the new headlights over there. All right, so these are the old headlights, and you can tell they look pretty busted. It looks hella old. So let's go to this side. Show you guys the new ones. Tell me what you guys think. Boom. All right, so it should be pretty easy. We're just gonna take off the bumper. It's gonna be, let's see, be a couple screws on top, 2 on the bottom, and it should come right off. So let's get to it. All right, let's get started. So yeah, guys, I had to get new headlights because these ones are looking pretty bad, pretty rough. And I ended up going with the like Amazon ones or something, because you know I wasn't trying to pay like big money for fucking OEM headlights. I think I had watched a couple videos on how these ones looked, and you know I was pretty content with how they looked based on the price. You know, I think it was like $250 for both of them, and then yeah, so I ended up going with those because I didn't want to buy OEM AP2 headlights. You know, that's probably be like over $1,000 for sure, and you know, I'm not trying to spend that much. So we got those off, so we'll slide under the bottom, hit the couple of bolts down there, and yeah, we'll pull the bumper off, tap back in as soon as I get the bumper off. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you my old ghetto setup. So this is how the ballast used to hang on here. These are AP2 headlights with an AP1 ballast. See how big this thing is? Like, there's really no way to mount it in there good, so it'd be hanging off, looking all shitty. But now we got this on there. We actually have AP2 ballast, so everything should bolt up pretty good. So we'll take off the light right now, unplug everything, and see how she looks. All right, guys, so we got the bumper off. Just got to take up a couple of bolts on the headlights. Should be pretty easy, but you never know what you're gonna run into. That one. Got another one. Shit's out there. And I hope I don't have to take off the fender. That would be sad if I do. Yeah, I have to just lift it up a little bit. I'll take this one off. Alright, let's see if that's enough. Get this headlight out. What else is it attached at? So yeah, there's kind of a hidden bolt like back in the back here, and we got it off now. So now I think it should come out now. Hopefully. Or not. Fuck, now what else is it hitting? Oh, it's this fucking big ass thing down here. You can see how ghetto this looks. Alright, let's gotta remove that. What size it is. Maybe I don't need to remove it. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's what I get for ghetto rigging it. Now it's going to take longer to take off. Boy. Alright, just a couple plugs in the back. Should be good. Let's see now. Wires And then the back connected. All right, I'll put this down and disconnect them. Show you guys after. All right, well, let's look at the other one, see where it's at. Okay, so this one clips onto there. Oh, shit. Okay, clips on there somewhere. Alright, where the hell does this go to? Oh, it goes to the back. There's a screw on there. Okay. Let's see. Side, back. Okay, now I gotta put the shit back together. Alright, see how to do this shit. Alright guys, so we got one side pretty much done. I'll show you when it's done. Now we're just gonna transfer everything over. You can see why I'm going to. Alright guys, so we pretty much finished the install. I think they look pretty clean. You know, I do have to line them up a little bit better or adjust them, but for the most part I think they're pretty good buys. So for 250 bucks, you know, you can't beat it. So let me turn on the lights and show you guys what they look like. So this is what they look like. These are the Morimoto 6K. They look pretty sick. And I also went with the LED on the top. So it looks hella good. I mean, like, I think it looks nice. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and we'll see what we got in store for next time.